Right, we're back with Alessio Rustani, an independent market trader for leadingtrader.com.
One of these stocks I want to talk about today is Netflix, or could be DEAD-Flix by the time we finish talking about this. But do you, by any chance, watch anything on Netflix?
So I'm too mean to pay the £5 or £10 or whatever it is a month on that. So
as you can see here, those are our four FANG stocks: Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Google. And this is one of them I want to talk about today, Netflix. I absolutely despised anything to do with Netflix. I thought, what the hell, it's one of these fads. Why are people watching it? Over the holidays and Christmas, my family got me hooked on watching a few episodes of something on Netflix called House of Cards. Kevin Spacey plays in it, obviously a very cynical character. There's another documentary on Netflix which I think is awesome. They make some really good shows. Making a Murderer, so one of the best documentaries. I recommend your viewers to watch that. So interestingly enough, we'll have your view on this, Zach, but I just want to mention here that, to me, I mean, we're breaking market structure. We clearly are in a short-term downward trend. The Elliott waves on the right-hand side suggest that we are in a wave 3 by the number that we see there. So potentially got more downside to go. I think, and here's what I think is going to happen here. I think between now and March, I think we're going to go head down to the test at 75-70 level. That's the major support level, that first 70-75 level. Yeah. I would be a buyer at that level. But I would say this: I want to see a bounce from that level first. I want to see it come down to $70-75, bounce away from that level, and I'm going to be a buyer at that level. And if, by the way, just let you know, if Netflix does not hold that level, if it goes below $70, then the next level very likely is going to be the next wave 3 target at 45. It's got more downside to go. So, Zach, what do you think? Netflix or DEAD-Flix?
Well, I'd just be looking for it to fill. I think that 70 level to fill that gap looks difficult to avoid, and so that's probably the initial thing to happen. But I do take I mean, there is that issue now that the market's got so negative in sentiment. You sort of feel that there'll probably be somebody coming up with a bullish trick up their sleeve, either buying bank shares or something on interest rates, or banning shorting, something like that. We're overdue something, some sort of.
Absolutely, I do think there's something very likely. Actually, guys, if we're going to go to the next chart, so that essentially is my outlook on Netflix.
Yeah, and I would agree with that. I mean, I'm just bouncing off the
Exactly. I think we're going to come down to $70, go sideways for a while, but I am long-term bullish on Netflix. We go to the next chart, guys, which is where I'm looking to buy at that $70 level. Now, I should just mention here that Netflix is seeing a lot of competition. I mean, if anyone buys a new television these days, I don't know if you bought one of these new 4K TVs. I just bought one in December.
Too mean to buy that as well. It's just not good, is it?
I know. But one interesting thing is when you buy these new 4K TVs, I bought one of these curved ones. I'm not bragging, but I love it. I have to tell you, I love these new TVs. No, but the interesting thing is that when you buy these new TVs, they put these apps on them, and you can choose what you want to watch. Netflix and these other channels, now they have these other online services like Now TV, and I don't know what the other ones are called anyway. Amazon, you got as well. So Netflix is seeing a lot of competition right now, and I think part of the reason why their shares are going down, they are seeing a lot of competition, but I think that, look, the long-term prospects is still good, and I would be looking to buy at that wave 4 potential bottom. We don't know if it's going to be a bottom yet, but I'm willing to buy at $70. Wave 4, I think, is going to complete there, and I'm looking for a wave 5 rally, which is going to take us up above $140, $150. I think that's the long-term outlook for 2016 for Netflix.